Imagine a car that can travel through 3 countries on a single charge. That's exactly what Tesla is promising with the new Model 2, scheduled for 2026. And this isn't just marketing exaggeration. We're talking about a range of 1,579 miles, or about 2,541 kilometers, with a battery that fully recharges in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's less time than it takes to order a coffee and wait for it to cool down. Elon Musk has already called this innovation a gigantic energy revolution. But for those who closely follow the ups and downs of the electric vehicle world, it seems more like a definitive game changer. What's striking isn't just the impressive number of kilometers, but the overall proposition. Tesla wants this technology to be accessible. No waiting 10 years for a new generation. They're planning a retrofit kit for just $5,678, which can be installed on older models, transforming even an old Tesla into a monster of range and efficiency. That's cheaper than many top-of-the-line smartphones. And with a curious detail, the upgrade promises to make some used cars more powerful than brand-new EVs. The change isn't just technical, it's cultural. If the promise materializes, the idea of recharging a car will be as quick and practical as filling up at a gas station. And, even better, without the smell of gasoline or the noise of combustion engines. The most interesting thing is that, even with all of Tesla's previous advancements, nobody expected such a huge leap in such a short time. The impression is that Elon Musk has been holding an ace up his sleeve, and now he's decided to play it all at once. The launch of the Model 2 with this aluminum-ion battery shakes up the logic of the entire market. Brands that are still trying to reach Tesla's standards with lithium and sodium now find themselves facing competition that has decided to play a different game, with different rules. And anyone who follows Musk's trajectory knows that he doesn't enter a fight to tie. The goal here is to crush the competition. And with a range of 2,500 kilometers, it's possible to do so with ease. Of course, many people still turn up their noses, thinking these numbers are too good to be true. But, let's face it, they've done this before. They did it when Tesla talked about self-driving cars, when they talked about solar panels for homes, when they promised a robot factory. And almost every time, they laughed until they stopped laughing. It may be that the 5-minute charging time still depends on a super recharging infrastructure, but even if it takes a little longer, the progress is already gigantic. The curious fact is that, for the first time, an electric car is beginning to challenge the combustion engine, not only because it is cleaner, but because it is objectively superior in practicality and performance. It's no longer just a matter of environmental awareness. Now it's a matter of logic. Who wants to stop at the gas station every week, spend more, and still listen to the noise of a squeaky and vibrating engine when they can have silence, comfort, and economy? And if you're thinking that all this progress is only for the future, Tesla assures you otherwise. The idea is that this battery can be integrated not only into the Model 2, but into the entire line. The focus now is on democratization, to transform the electric car into a standard, not an exception. And the curious thing is that, instead of forcing you to change your car, the proposal is the opposite. Keep what you have and just change the heart of it. Few people imagined that aluminum, a metal so common in our daily lives, would become the key to an automotive revolution. For decades, aluminum-ion batteries were treated almost like science fiction. Too unstable, too fragile, too complex. While the whole world raced after lithium and dreamed of solid-state technology, Tesla quietly bet on a formula rejected by many. And now, it seems, they've hit the jackpot. The technology that once seemed unfeasible is ready to change everything. The secret behind this turnaround lies in a concept called CPMI, or Cross-Platform Module Interface. In simple terms, it's like a universal heart, capable of being transplanted into any Tesla manufactured since 2021. This means that it's not necessary to rebuild the car's body, only to replace the system that pumps the energy. The impact of this is profound. Can you imagine just replacing the battery and having a completely new car? Tesla wants you to think exactly that way. This modularity didn't appear out of nowhere. Since 2021, Tesla has been standardizing its assembly lines in Fremont, Austin, and Shanghai down to the last millimeter. Cooling, chassis, connectors. Everything was designed to allow for future upgrades with minimal intervention. In other words, while the world thought Tesla was just optimizing its production, Elon Musk was already preparing the ground for an invisible revolution, which is now beginning to reveal itself. What makes the aluminum-ion battery so special is its ability to combine three elements rarely seen together: safety, performance, and low cost. Aluminum is abundant, recyclable, and much safer than lithium in extreme situations. This means less risk of explosions, less environmental impact, and a potentially longer lifespan. But, until recently, all of this was theoretical. Now, with rumors coming from supply chains and R&D labs, the impossible is becoming reality. Even without official confirmation from Tesla about a large-scale production line, the signs are clear. Internal sources and experts indicate that pilot tests are already underway. Real prototypes, real data, real improvements. And the most curious thing is that this movement is happening right before our eyes, without fanfare, while the company focuses on the discourse of continuous updates. Tesla seems to want to sell not just promises, but tangible, testable, and deployable changes. The new battery's design is no coincidence. Measuring approximately 70 inches long, 55 inches wide, and weighing around 1,250 pounds, it fits perfectly into the skateboard-type platform used in current models. This is essential. After all, what good is a super battery if it doesn't fit anywhere? The engineering here was designed to be invisible. The car looks the same on the outside, but inside, it's a whole different world. Furthermore, the timing couldn't be more strategic. The global aluminum-ion battery market is still in its infancy, but it's already attracting the interest of investors, automakers, and governments. Estimates vary radically. Some point to modest growth, others predict leaps of over 100% by 2035, and this chasm in forecasts reveals only one thing: nobody wants to be left out, even without fully understanding what's to come. The idea of replacing the entire car to access new technology is becoming outdated. And Tesla knows this. That's why the concept of retrofitting isn't just a viable alternative. It's becoming the main plan. The proposal is simple but powerful. For less than $6,000, any Tesla owner with a recent model can replace their current battery with a 60-kilowatt aluminum-ion module capable of delivering over 1,600 kilometers of range. That's right. It's like replacing only the car's lungs, and suddenly it breathes 10 times better. This change represents a slap in the face to the concept of planned obsolescence. Instead of pushing new models, Tesla wants you to upgrade what you already have. The idea is so bold that it seems suicidal for an industry accustomed to profiting from new cars every 2 years. But Tesla sees beyond that. Profit is shifting from hardware to the ecosystem. Software updates, premium features, embedded AI and energy solutions have become the new currency, and this completely changes the game. From a technical standpoint, retrofitting isn't just a swap and plug. Tesla developed a digital management system that allows the car to automatically adapt to the new battery chemistry. This happens via OTA updates, meaning your car learns on its own, through the cloud, how to handle the new energy source. It interprets the voltage, temperature, cell behavior, and reprograms the inverter's operation. In other words, it learns a new language without you having to lift a finger. And as all true innovation requires thermal control, Tesla spared no detail in this regard. The new modules use micro-cooling channels that prevent the buildup of excessive heat. Residual heat is transferred to a metal plate that acts as a heat sink, all within a hermetically sealed CPMI sled. And most impressively, without altering the car's original cooling system. This reduces costs, speeds up installation, and maintains compatibility with previous models. Now, what's truly astonishing is the cost-benefit ratio. For $5,678, a price confirmed behind the scenes, a Model Y can triple its range and cut its charging time in half. No license plate change, no additional taxes, no need to restart insurance. It's like buying a new car for 15% of the price. And that's the kind of offer that would make any traditional automaker's hair stand on end. For those who have been driving a Tesla since 2021, this could be the most exciting moment since receiving the vehicle. Imagine waking up on a Monday, updating the system, and the next day scheduling a battery swap to achieve 1,000 miles of range. This is no longer fiction. It's a new reality being shaped now. And anyone who believes this won't be a global trend in the coming years is probably still stuck in the old logic of the automotive industry. Moreover, this movement aligns perfectly with Tesla's long-term philosophy. It's not about selling more cars, but about creating a loyal, upgradable, connected customer base. Each retrofit is a renewal of the contract with the customer. A customer who feels part of something bigger, who sees value not only in the car itself, but in the system around it. It's an ongoing relationship, not a one-time transaction, and that has an immense impact on customer loyalty. It's hard to imagine a single battery cell operating at 20 volts without causing electrical chaos inside the car. After all, the lithium cells we use today barely exceed 3.8 volts and already require a fair amount of control. With aluminum ion, the voltage is so high that, in theory, it would fry the electronic systems in a matter of seconds. But that's where Tesla's engineering genius comes in. Instead of physically reconfiguring each component of the car, the company developed a system that reprograms everything via software. It's as if the car itself learns to protect itself. This system is a type of digital chemical management system. It reads real-time data on voltage, temperature, and the behavior of each battery cell and, based on this, automatically adjusts the operation of the inverters. No makeshift solutions here. It's a complete redesign of the electrical instructions that guide the car. And the most impressive thing is that this can be distributed via OTA updates, the same ones you receive while the car is parked in the garage. Wireless, no workshop, no complications. What makes it even more efficient is the thermal integration. Tesla knows that high voltages generate heat, a lot of it. Therefore, it incorporated a microchannel system through which a coolant circulates, preventing any dangerous buildup. Residual heat is absorbed by a metal heat dissipation plate installed in the same CPMI module, creating a closed and safe thermal circuit. It's a level of precision that seems like something out of a spaceship, but it's about to arrive in your garage. The beauty of the project lies precisely in the fact that none of this requires modifications to the current car. The original cooling system, already built into models since 2021, is fully compatible with the new module. This cuts costs, reduces installation time, and expands the number of vehicles that can be upgraded. It's a decision that blends clever engineering with a long-term vision, something rare in the automotive industry, which generally prefers to reinvent the wheel from scratch with each new release. The combination of high voltage and thermal intelligence creates a balance almost impossible to achieve with lithium. And more than just energy efficiency, what's being delivered here is a new way of thinking about vehicle performance. It's not just about going further or charging faster. It's about doing all that with less effort, less environmental impact, and more control than ever before. It's the kind of advancement you're proud to see happening in real time. This transition also represents a challenge for competitors. After all, if Tesla can run with more powerful chemistry without requiring structural modifications, what prevents others from doing the same? The answer may lie in the fact that no one else has invested as much time in modularity as Tesla. While others optimized engines, Tesla optimized platforms. And now, this preparation is beginning to bear fruit. Aluminum fruit, it should be noted. An interesting detail is that this new technology also opens up space for more sophisticated driving modes. With greater control over energy flow, engineers will be able to adjust the car's behavior more precisely, activating performance, economy, or thermal balance modes with simple commands. And all this without needing to touch any hardware. It's like unlocking hidden superpowers in the system. And this idea of awakening new functions in a used car is simply brilliant. With all that stored energy and a charging time almost as fast as filling up at a gas station, the first question that arises is, will the electrical grid be able to handle it? It seems crazy to imagine thousands of cars drawing so much power at the same time, but Tesla has already thought of that too. The answer lies in energy intelligence. Each new fifth-generation supercharger will come paired with a megapack, a giant stationary battery with a capacity of up to 3.90 mAh. It is this battery that stores energy during the night and releases it during the day, transforming the charging points into veritable mini power plants. This system allows the energy used when the driver plugs in the car to be drawn from the national power grid. Instead, it consumes electricity that has already been stored during off-peak hours, such as at night when everyone is asleep. This helps to balance the system, rather than overloading it. It's a strategic use of energy that benefits not only the driver, but the entire country's electrical infrastructure. And this doesn't just apply to public charging stations. Most charging still happens at home, usually between 2 and 5 in the morning, when overall consumption is low and costs are lower. The aluminum-ion battery doesn't change this behavior, it just expands its possibilities. Now, if the driver is in a hurry or needs a quick charge in the middle of the afternoon, they can activate turbo mode and recover hundreds of kilometers in a few minutes. Flexibility is the key word, but Tesla doesn't want to stop there. With so much energy stored in a car, a new function emerges, returning that energy to the grid. That's right, the vehicle becomes a mobile generator. The vehicle-to-grid, V2G concept, is gaining traction with this new battery. During peak consumption periods, the car can supply part of its charge to stabilize the electrical grid. Tests are already being conducted in residential neighborhoods in the United States, and the initial results are quite promising. Just imagine your car parked in the garage, not just resting, but working for you, powering the house, supporting the neighborhood, helping to balance the system's energy. And all of this controlled by software, safely, precisely, and without you having to do anything. It's a new kind of relationship between car and city. The car ceases to be just a means of transportation and becomes an energy node within an intelligent web. This vision becomes even more ambitious when we consider scale. With the Texas Gigafactory capable of producing over 10,000 megapacks per year, Tesla can power thousands of stations across North America. And as this network grows, the reliance on traditional energy sources decreases. It's no exaggeration to say that each new Model 2 with an aluminum battery could become a strategic piece in the energy puzzle of the future. This integration between mobility and infrastructure is what sets Tesla apart from any other automaker. While some are still debating the design of the next electric SUV, Elon Musk is designing an ecosystem where car, home, business, and electrical grid speak the same language. And that language will soon be made of aluminum atoms, circulating at incredible speeds,